Now we see the 4 nozzle, the 4 bubble machine, and the channel 1 is full. We see it's full. And channel 2 is bubble. Channel 2 is bubble. And open channel 1 and channel 2 will have the white color bubble. See, white color bubble. And channel 3 is dimmer. It's red, green, blue. Let's see, red, green, blue. It's all color on. Okay. Now it's auto color and auto color change speed. Now you see the auto color change. This is program. There are many programs inside this mainboard, and can change the LED lamps one by one. And channel 9 is stop. We see stop. This is stop. Now it's auto color change. And you can see the bubble effect. This is the bubble. This pipe and this pipe is for the fork, and this 1, 2, 3, 4. This middle 4 pipe for the bubble. This one and this one is for the fork. And there are 3 pin and 5 pin DMX socket and power plug, fuse, power switch. This machine have 2 channel mode, and the first one is 9 channel and the second one is 16 channel. Now let's see. After you turn to the 16, for example, now we open the red, and you can see this head is only, this first one is red. Now we open this one to red, and you can see the second one. This is pixel control, or we can open the second one to green, and the third one blue, and the final one we can open to 4 color on. So you can see this 4 nozzles have the individual the color. And the final channel is stop. So this is 16 channel. This is 16. And this position have the bracket. This position have a single bracket. And the packing way is flat case packing.